Why choose adoption? We understand that mothers choose adoption for many reasons. Many are just not ready to parent right now, although they will make great moms one day. Some already have children and know they cannot provide for another child the way they want to. Adoption lets a birth mother give her child the best life possible while doing what is best for herself, too. Numerous studies show that children placed for adoption as infants are thriving. Adoptive families rejoice when they are given the privilege of raising a child through adoption. They are prepared and motivated to do a great job. They have a tremendous respect and appreciation for the birth mother who places her child with them. Today, the adoption process has become much more responsive to the needs of birth mothers. They participate fully in all decisions, and their needs and preferences guide the whole process. Experienced agencies like Georgia Agape provide assistance every step of the way. If you have an unplanned pregnancy, call us today. There's no pressure or obligation. You need the facts so you can make the best decisions for you and your baby. We've been doing this a long time. We know what we're doing. Your privacy and confidentiality will be honored. Our number is 770-452-9995. That's 770-452-9995. Call us today. You'll be glad you did.